700 common words, reading and dictation. Exercise number 4, dictation speed 80 words per minute. Start. I did not know the blacks very well as a family, but I had run up against them in the street from time to time. Full stop. They lived in a large old house just off the high street. Full stop. The house was too large for their requirements, and it was difficult to keep warm in winter. Full stop. The bedrooms were too big, and when the weather was cold, people trying to find comfort in the sitting room might just as well have been in the street outside. For all the warmth they received from the coals burning in the little fireplace. Full stop. But the blacks did not move into a smaller and newer house. Full stop. It did not come into their heads to do so. Full stop. The old house had always been their home. Full stop. Father and mother had lived there from the first day of their married life, and the two children had spent all their days there. Full stop. There they were, and there they were likely to be in the years to come. Full stop. Modern and new houses were shot in the days that followed the war, and Black himself found the situation of the old place very satisfactory because he ran an office in the high street, and he could walk to or from his work in a matter of 5 minutes. Full stop. Thus, this saved him time, money, and trouble, and he thought himself a very happy man in this respect. Full stop. I doubt whether I ever would have gone into that house had I not offered to try to get some money for a good cause in which I was at that time interested. Full stop. I went from house to house asking for money. Full stop. I may add that I did not like asking other people to give up their hard-won money, but, on the other hand, I very much desired money for my cause, and so was able to steel myself to go my rounds. Full stop. Most people gave willingly, a little perhaps, but a large enough number of small amounts can make a large sum, and thankful for anything down to the last penny. Full stop. The door of the Black's house was opened by a little maid who showed me into the sitting room. Full stop. It was a cold afternoon, and the mother and the girl were sitting near to the fire reading. Full stop. My surprise must have shown itself on my face. Full stop. I looked from one to the other. Full stop. The mother must have married quite young, for she was clearly under 40 while the girl was about 17. Full stop. What surprised me was that the two faces looked just the same. Full stop. Not a line showed on the mother's face, and her eyes, so clear and blue, were no less beautiful than those of the girl. Full stop. The faces were small and perfect in form. Full stop. Never had I before seen such a remarkable likeness between two people of such different age. Full stop. Yet there was a difference, and what a difference it was. Full stop. Done high ups on the girl's head, above those blue eyes, was a wonderful mass of gold, red gold. Full stop. Where were the modern painters, I asked myself, waiting to paint this red gold loveliness for future people to look at, question mark. Such a wonderful thing should be seen by all the world, it was not enough for it to be kept here, not known, not loved, except by her own family. Full stop. How long, I asked myself, could such color last, question mark. It seemed to burn, and I had the feeling that it would burn itself out. Full stop. I turned my eyes back to the mother, with her perfect done high ups on her head in the same way was a mass of white. Full stop. I looked, at not one touch of color could I see. Full stop. My face must have expressed only too clearly my thoughts, for the mother turned to me and said, double dot, yes, it is very beautiful, I was just like that once, and look at me now. All the women in our family are white before they are 30. Full stop.